Here are 10 things to know about tattoos. 1. Leviticus 19:28. Do not cut your bodies for the dead or put tattoo marks on yourselves. I am the Lord. This verse is the most direct reference to tattoos in the Bible and is often cited by those who believe tattoos are forbidden. 2. 1 Corinthians 6:19-20. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit, who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own, you are bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies. Some interpret this as meaning that one should keep their body pure and unmarked. 3. 1 Corinthians 3:16-17. Don't you know that you yourselves are God's temple, and that God's Spirit dwells in your midst? If anyone destroys God's temple, God will destroy that person, for God's temple is sacred, and you together are that temple. This passage emphasizes the sanctity of the body as God's temple. 4. Romans 12:1. Therefore, I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true. This verse suggests that Christians should offer their bodies in a state that is holy and pleasing to God. 5. 1 Peter 3:3-4. Your beauty should not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. This implies that external adornment, including tattoos, should not be the focus for Christians. 6. 1 Timothy 2:9. I also want the women to dress modestly, with decency and propriety, adorning themselves, not with elaborate hairstyles or gold or pearls or expensive clothes. The principle of modesty and propriety can extend to avoiding tattoos. 7 Deuteronomy 14:1. You are the children of the Lord your God. Do not cut yourselves or shave the front of your heads for the dead. This verse, like Leviticus 19:28, forbids certain bodily modifications that were part of pagan rituals. 8. Ephesians 5:10. And find out what pleases the Lord. This encourages Christians to seek what pleases God, which some believe includes maintaining the body as He created it. 9. 1 Thessalonians 5:22. Reject every kind of evil. If tattoos are associated with pagan or ungodly practices, this verse could be interpreted as rejecting them. 10. Romans 12:2. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. This advises Christians not to conform to worldly trends, which some might interpret as including the trend of getting tattoos. These examples illustrate why some Christians believe tattoos are inappropriate. They often view the body as a sacred temple and aim to keep it unmarked and pure as an act of worship and respect towards God. If this video has captivated you, be sure to like yourself and subscribe to see more videos.